Hi friends, guys, can you hear me? Guys, can you hear me, guys? So good evening, everyone. If you can hear me, just give me a thumbs up, guys, to this video. If you can hear me, we have Jima here. Okay. So guys, I have the list of important topics which we will just briefly discuss from the climate topic. So guys, if you see last year geography paper, in the prelims examination geography questions, many questions came from the climate chapter. So my request to all of you is to read these unit. Okay, read the unit physical geography properly. Okay, read this unit physical geography properly. Fundamentals of physical geography climate chapter. Last year questions have come from the heat budget, from how the atmosphere gets heated. Then questions were also on the Gulf Stream. Okay, those kinds of questions, temperature profile, isotherm, all these questions were there. So the unit, okay, the climate unit of this chapter is very, very important. Last year there were many questions. Okay, so static question, please read, okay, the climate composition, solar radiation, then atmospheric circulation, then water in atmosphere, and then world climate types. Okay, these are the 4 chapters from this fundamentals of physical geography, which is very, very important. All the possible questions, static oriented questions, all the possible questions, I have covered them in my static NCRT test. If you are following my timetable, then the static NCRT test you will be taking on this coming Sunday. You can take the static NCRT test on the coming Sunday. Okay, so right now I will not be discussing the important static concepts, okay, from this book. Please do read this book. These 4 chapters are very, very important. Climate chapter, last year 4 questions were there from this chapter. Okay, so I have some current affairs important topics from geography which I'll be, okay, briefly discussing about. Okay, so guys, this year the most important topic is the IMD is having 150 years anniversary of IMD. Guys, how many of you have read this topic? IMD 150 years, Indian Meteorological Department 150 years. Okay, so you may get what is the mandate of IMD. Okay, what are the use of various informations which are given by IMD. Okay, so cyclone monitoring and precipitation, rainfall, okay, heat waves, everything is given by IMD. Very, very important. 150 years of IMD. IMD is one of the most important organization as far as climate is concerned. Guys, the informations which are given by IMD is used for disaster planning. Then it is also used for agriculture, then travel, tourism, space. Okay, so this is a very, very important topic. You may get a question on IMD. What are the various, okay, methods used by IMD for the modeling of the climate? Okay, this is very important. Second, which is a related topic, guys, is Mission Monsoon or Mission Mausam. Okay, very, very important. Okay, Government of India has launched this new, okay, program where basically Government of India wants to enhance the capability of meteorological services in India. Okay, so Mission Monsoon or Mission Mausam, very, very important. Okay, please do prepare. This topic is very, very important. Okay, Mission Monsoon or Mission Mausam, very, very important. Okay, so these 2 topics are related to each other. Basically, this 2 topic is about IMD and the various meteorological services which they are providing. So please do prepare Mission Mausam or Mission Monsoon and the IMD. Okay, guys, if you have gone through the speech which was given by Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India, okay, he had mentioned the ancient text. He has mentioned the ancient text where meteorology is discussed. Okay, so they may also give you history question. Which ancient text mentions the meteorological, okay, this thing, and who was the writer of that text? Okay, how many of you know that, guys? In the comment box, let me see how many of you know that. In my mentorship batch, I had shared this. I had shared this from the Prime Minister's speech, PIB update. I had shared this. If you remember, I had shared this. Guys, are you following me? Guys, are you following me or not? Guys, please in the comment box, let me know if you are able to follow me, guys. Please do let me know in the comment box if you are able to follow me. Okay, now let us proceed, guys. As far as Indian climate is concerned, this year, guys, El Nino and La Nina is very important. This year, El Nino, La Nina is very important, guys. La Nina. Okay, La Nina is a favorite topic of UPSC. So this year, you may expect a question on El Nino, La Nina. El Nino, La Nina are the two phases of the ENSO circulation. They are the two phases of the ENSO circulation. La Nina is the colder phase. El Nino is the warmer phase. La Nina is the colder phase. El Nino is the warmer phase. Okay, so La Nina, what happens, guys? Okay, the eastern central Pacific Ocean of the coast of Peru gets cooled, and in the La Nina it gets warmed. Okay, so very, very important. El Nino, La Nina. What is the impact of El Nino on Indian monsoon? Can anybody tell me what is the impact of El Nino on Indian monsoon? The impact of El Nino on Indian monsoon is positive. The impact of, okay, no, it's negative. La Nina is positive. El Nino is negative. El Nino is negative. La Nina is positive. The impact of La Nina on Indian monsoon is positive. You will have better rains. But El Nino, you may have droughts. Okay. So La Nina, very, very important. Triple La Nina is also very, very important. So please do prepare La Nina, El Nino. I'm expecting a question on El Nino, La Nina this year. Related concept is Indian Ocean Dipole. Positive ocean dipole and the negative ocean dipole. Okay, so positive ocean dipole is positive for Indian monsoon and negative ocean dipole is negative for Indian monsoon. Basically, Indian Ocean dipole is what? The difference of temperature between the western part of Indian Ocean and the eastern part of Indian Ocean. So this Indian Ocean dipole is very, very important. Okay. Further, guys, in the Indian monsoon topic, western disturbance is becoming very important. Western disturbance. Western disturbance are extratropical cyclone. They are extratropical cyclone. They originate in the Mediterranean Sea and they travel to India, and generally they are responsible for winter rainfalls. Winter rainfalls. Okay, guys, is this clear? Guys, how many of you following western disturbance? How many of you have prepared western disturbance? Very important, western disturbance. Okay. So please do read western disturbance. It is a very important topic. Okay, guys. Next topic which you can get is the cloud burst. In the mains examination 2024, they have asked question on cloud burst. So what is cloud burst? Is there any technical definition of cloud burst? Yes, guys. There is a technical definition of cloud burst. When we have 100 millimeter of rainfall within 1 hour, it is called cloud burst. Which is called cloud burst. 100 millimeter of rainfall within 1 hour, it is called cloud burst. Concentrated rainfall. Okay, heavy rainfall, concentrated rainfall, cloud burst. What results in cloud burst? So what happens, guys, when the clouds, okay, when the clouds are taken, okay, by the hot warm air, okay, orographic effect. Okay, so when they are basically uplifted, when the clouds are uplifted by the hot warm air, so what happens? The molecules, the water molecules, they condense and they become bigger molecules, and suddenly cloud burst takes place. Heavy rainfall is called cloud burst. Generally orographic, generally orographic, generally orographic, generally orographic effect leads to cloud burst. Generally in the hilly areas and the plateau areas, hilly areas and the plateau areas, you have the cloud burst. The cloud burst is very, very important. Which regions in India are prone to cloud burst? Uttarakhand, Himachal, Sikkim. Okay, Sikkim, even, okay, some of the states like Jharkhand, West Bengal also, sometimes you may have cloud burst. Okay. Another topic which is very important this year is the lightning. What is lightning, guys? Lightning, what happens when there is a difference in potential within the cloud? When there is a difference in potential within the cloud, the charge follows. Lightning is very, very important. Lightning is very, very important. Charge follows. Okay, when there is, see what happens is that, suppose, okay, cloud is like, it is moving up. Okay, its cloud is moving up. So water particles, what they do? They have a friction. So they get charged. When the potential of the opposite charge particles, it increases, then the lightning takes place. Lightning is very, very important, guys, because there was some research related to lightning and the forest fires. Lightning and forest fire, very, very important. Guys, which state in India is planting a tree? What is that tree? to protect from lightning? Can anybody tell me which state in India they are planting a tree? They're planting a tree. There is what kind of tree and which state is planting to protect itself from lightning? How many of you can answer this question? Let me see. Anyone in the comment box can answer this question? Let me see how many of you can answer this question. Lightning. Anyone can answer this question? Which state in India? Which state in India is doing that? Guys, Odisha. Yes, very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Odisha is a state which is basically planting what kind of tree? What kind of tree? Odisha is the right answer, guys. Superb. Superb. Jima Afreen is answering. Okay. Jima Afreen is answering. Okay. Sushant Budolia. Sushant Budolia is also answering the correct answer. Palm tree. Palm tree. Very good. Superb. 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 Anyone else, guys? Why you people are not able to answer? Are you not reading? Are you not following the daily targets? Are you not completing the targets which I am giving? Really, I'm very unhappy with you because you people are not able to answer the question, guys. Very few people are able to answer the question. In the comment box, I'm able to see very few people are able to answer. This means your preparation is not going up to the mark. Guys, please do join my private channel. In my private channel, I'm giving daily important topics. At least if you're not finding time, at least you cover the important topics. These are very useful for the prelims examination 2025. Most of the questions are expected to come from my predicted topics, guys. Okay, let us move on, guys. So this is a very, very important topic. Lightning arresters, lightning conductors. Okay, this science-based question can come. Already UPSC has already question on lightning has asked. So again, lightning is very, very important this year, guys. Please do prepare it. Okay. Now I'm moving little bit further. Moving little bit further, guys. There is one topic, okay, of which is called temperature inversion. Temperature inversion, guys. Temperature. Generally, what happens, guys? Generally, what happens is that as you rise above in the atmosphere, the temperature starts declining. The temperature starts declining. Why? Because the atmosphere gets heated from the bottom. Okay, terrestrial radiation. So what happens, guys? In the temperature inversion, what happens generally in the winter nights? In the winter nights, what happens, guys? Because the surface is so cold, so what happens is that the air which is in contact with the surface gets cooled very fast. They cool very fast. So what happens is that there is a temperature inversion. As you rise above, the temperature increases. Okay, that is called temperature inversion. Okay, why it happens? So guys, basically in the cold nights, temperature inversion can have two types. One is surface temperature inversion and one is valley temperature inversion. Temperature inversion is very important. Why? Because of the pollution problem in the northern India. Pollution problem. Okay, fog problem, pollution problem, smog problem. Guys, why northern India is having so much pollution problem, so much fog problem during the winters only? Can anybody tell me what is the answer for that? Can anybody tell me what is the answer for that? Quickly, guys, let me see how many of you are able to answer it. Quickly, I need answers. Quickly, guys, anyone? Temperature inversion, very, very important topic. Fog is a very important topic. Why northern India? Why the Gangetic plains are getting fog every winter? What is the reason for that? Another important topic this year is, guys, cloud seeding. Another important topic is what? Cloud seeding. Cloud seeding, guys, what happens is that we are using some chemicals. For basically nuclei of the cloud formation. Guys, what is the chemicals? What are the chemicals? Can you tell me, guys? Silver iodide, potassium chloride, potassium iodide, silver iodide, potassium iodide, sodium chloride, silver iodide, and potassium iodide, silver iodide, and sodium chloride. These are the chemicals which can be used for cloud seeding. They basically act as a nuclei around which cloud formation takes place, condensation takes place. Very, very important, guys. Cloud seeding can be used for what? Pollution control, also for rainfall, for droughts. So can you tell me which city in India they are trying cloud seeding recently? Which city? Can anybody tell me which city in India they tried cloud seeding? Can you give me the answer, guys? Let me see how many of you can give me the answer. Quickly. I need answers. Anyone can give me which city in India? Maharashtra. Very good. Superb. Maharashtra. Very good. Superb. Maharashtra. Very good. Maharashtra is the right answer. Maharashtra is the right answer, guys. Okay. Very good. Very good, guys. Very good. Okay. Another important topic, guys, this year is cloud seeding. Okay, geoengineering. Geoengineering, guys. Geoengineering techniques are used to basically cool the earth. Okay, and mitigate the climate change. What are the geoengineering methods, guys? So, guys, you know, solar radiation management, aerosol injection into the stratosphere. Okay, so there are various ways in which we can manage climate change. Please do prepare all the 5 methods of geoengineering or climate engineering. Okay, like aerosol injection. Okay, then we have the mirrors, then we have, okay, so many, okay, 4 or 5 techniques are there. Please do prepare that also. Okay, and also, guys, you need to prepare carbon sequestration, and carbon fertilization. Carbon fertilization and carbon sequestration, very very important, guys. You may expect a question on this. Another topic, guys, related to climate change, guys, glacial melting, which is leading to glacial lake outburst. Okay, glacial lake outflow burst. Okay, floods, very very important. Glacial lakes. Okay, more and more glacial lakes are forming, and these glacial lakes are basically bursting because of the, okay, more and more water getting accumulated, so they burst. Okay, they lead to flood. Okay, so in India, where are glacial lakes? Which of the glacial lakes are on the verge of getting flooded and getting, okay, broken? Okay, so this is very very important. Glacial lakes are very very important concept. So these were some of the important concepts. The last one is the tropical cyclones. Tropical cyclones, again, very important. So, guys, generally tropical cyclones are more in Bay of Bengal or in Arabian Sea. Can anybody tell me? Tropical cyclones are more in Bay of Bengal or Arabian Sea? Generally, tropical cyclones are more in Bay of Bengal. Okay, Bay of Bengal. Why Bay of Bengal? Because of various reasons, guys. Because of various reasons. Okay, maybe temperature is high. Okay, maybe because of the flow of water. Okay, like rivers going into the Bay of Bengal. Okay, maybe the shape of that. Okay, shape of that region. Okay, maybe the remnant of the cyclones which are coming from the Pacific Ocean. That is one of the reasons. Okay, so more and more cyclones we have in the Bay of Bengal. But this year there was a cyclone in the Arabian Sea also. So why Arabian Sea cyclones are becoming frequent, okay, in the last few years? Why Arabian Sea cyclones are coming? Okay, can anybody tell me? Okay, quickly, guys. Someone is saying I learn English. Someone is saying, Ritik is saying I learn in. See, I have to speak in English because, guys, a lot of students who are following me, they are asking me to speak in English. I can speak in Hindi also, not a problem for me, guys. I know Hindi also very well, but because students are demanding, that's why I'm keeping it in English, guys. मैं हिंदी में भी बात कर सकता हूँ, बहुत अच्छी बात कर सकता हूँ. That's the, okay, reason only, because students are demanding it. That's the only reason, sir. That's only. Okay, so the next topic which I was telling was cyclones. Okay, why Arabian Sea cyclones are becoming very popular? Arabian Sea cyclones are becoming very popular because of the temperature, because of the sea surface temperature, because of the climate change. Okay, guys, this is very very important. What are the cyclone seasons in India? Cyclone seasons in India, 2 cyclones. One is pre-monsoon, one is post-monsoon season. Pre-monsoon season and post-monsoon season. Okay, guys. Okay, pre-monsoon season and post-monsoon season. That's the, okay, guys. That's the it. Okay. So these were some of the important topics, guys. Okay, I have tried to list everything here, guys. Okay, the most important topic, guys, you can see here, IMD is the first topic. IMD, 100 years. Then, guys, you can see why North India is having fog, western disturbance. Then, guys, droughts, maybe, guys, types of droughts: agriculture drought, meteorological drought. Okay, these kinds of droughts can I also. Then atmospheric rivers. What are atmospheric rivers? This is happening, and there were people who said that the Western Ghats. Okay, there was a landslide was because of the atmospheric river. Atmospheric rivers, generally, what are atmospheric rivers? Can anybody tell me what are atmospheric rivers? Okay, they are like a band of wind. Okay, they are a band of wind which carries a lot of moisture. Okay, atmospheric rivers can be an important concept. Okay, atmospheric rivers are in news for last 2-3 years. They're common in USA. Okay, guys, they're common in USA. Okay, very very important. Okay, lightning is important, guys. Okay, tropical cyclones. Okay, list of tropical cyclones. List of tropical cyclones, again very important. What are the list of tropical cyclones which were there in news in the last 1 year? One more topic, guys. Why on equator? Why on equator we do not have tropical cyclones? Why on equator we do not have tropical cyclones? Who can tell me the answer, guys? Who can tell me the answer? Why on equator we do not have tropical cyclones? Answer is what? Coriolis force. Coriolis force. Last year they have asked question on Coriolis force. So this year they may not ask. This year they may not ask. Okay. So like these are some of the important themes, guys. So to sum up in the next 5 minutes, what I'll try to do is that I'll try to sum up. So this year, Indian Meteorological Department and the mission monsoon is very, very important. Please do prepare the mission Mausam, mission monsoon, and the Indian Meteorological Department. Also prepare the monsoon phenomenon in India. Also prepare the monsoon phenomenon in India, because of the IMD. Monsoon becomes very important. Okay, we have the southwest monsoon, the northeast monsoon. Okay, which area they are having the main impact. Okay, why Meghalaya has one of the rainiest season in the India. Okay, such kind of, why Tamil Nadu gets rainfall mostly in winter. These kinds of questions can come. If you have read the NCERT, if you have solved my static test, NCERT test, guys, I have covered each and everything in my static test. I have covered each and everything in my static test, guys. Okay, after that, guys, they can ask you western disturbance. They may ask you western disturbance. They can ask you temperature inversion. They can ask you temperature inversion. And please do prepare, okay, these concepts, okay, basic concepts in the physical fundamentals of geography climate chapter is very, very important. Okay. So guys, a cloud burst, okay, lightning, okay, these were some phenomenons. El Nino, La Nina, okay, which may be asked. I'm hoping 2 questions to come. One is El Nino, La Nina, and second is the monsoon and IMD topic. Okay, overall Indian monsoon and IMD topic. These 2 questions I'm predicting. Okay, so at least these 2 things you need to prepare it very well. Okay, anybody has any doubts? Anybody has any problem? Let me know. Otherwise, guys, I would like to end. Okay, and guys, please do follow my YouTube shorts. Okay, YouTube elimination shorts. I'm giving you elimination techniques every day, and I'm also giving some predicted topics. Have a look at them. PIQ analysis, these are very, very useful. And guys, let me tell you, my overall aim is to give you 20 to 30 questions in the exam. That is my overall aim. Okay, I will be trying my hard. I'm analyzing the trend, and I'm trying my level hard to basically predict some questions. Okay, at least 20 to 30 questions. I'm trying my level best. And if you are following my targets daily, if you're taking my test regularly, definitely you will see some of the questions coming in the exam. Definitely, I can be very confident. I'm very confident. Definitely, you are going to see something. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.